Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the internet by offering various features. Every internet company is striving to launch its own AI chat-based model. OpenAI has recently launched its latest model, the GPT-4, which is made available to the public on openai.com. The previous version, GPT 3.5, has been upgraded with a host of new features. If you are curious about the GPT-4 release date, you'll be happy to know that it was launched on the 14th of March 2023. OpenAI has launched GPT-4, a new and powerful AI model capable of understanding images and text. The company has made GPT-4 available to its users through ChatGPT+. ChatGPT-4 is 10 times more powerful than ChatGPT 3.5. If you differentiate between ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT-4, you notice that ChatGPT-4 is much more advanced than ChatGPT 3.5. So in order to use ChatGPT 3.5, you get to use ChatGPT 3.5 for free, while for ChatGPT-4, you have to make payment. OpenAI makes available ChatGPT-4 for those that are ready to pay for it. GPT-4 is a multimodal model which can accept text and images as input and responds with only text. Interestingly, Microsoft has confirmed that Bing Chat, its chatbot technology that was co-developed with OpenAI, is running on GPT-4. Other early adopters of GPT-4 include Stripe, which is using it to scan business websites and deliver a summary to customer support staff. A popular YouTube channel I watch, Khan Academy, is leveraging GPT-4 to build an automated tutor. If you want to use GPT-4, you can easily do so by following the instructions given on the website. Additionally, you can now insert images or have conversations with them as per the latest updates. GPT-4 has enhanced capabilities in advanced reasoning, complex instructions, and more creativity. GPT-4 provides conversational search results, making it easy to find answers to your queries. It supports multiple modes of interaction, including text, voice, and images, which makes it more versatile than ChatGPT. GPT-4 uses vast data sets from across the internet, which allows for more comprehensive and accurate search results. The model verifies its results before presenting them to the user, ensuring accuracy and precision in the information provided. What exactly is this GPT-4? Right, so GPT-4 is an advanced version of the GPT series, which has more parameters and is capable of producing even more impressive results. That means it's capable of producing more impressive results than GPT 3.5 that we normally use. The latest model of ChatGPT has around 10 times more parameters than ChatGPT, which means it can learn from more data and generate better responses. However, this increase in parameters comes with a cost. GPT-4 requires a lot more computational resources, which means it's not as accessible to everyone as ChatGPT. Right, so ChatGPT is actually very accessible to most people on the internet, but GPT-4 is not as accessible to everyone as ChatGPT, as it will require a lot more computational resources and data. Now let's talk about performance. GPT-4 can generate text that is even more human-like than ChatGPT and is capable of carrying out even more complex tasks. For example, it can do better at question answering, summarization, and even writing code. GPT-4 can also hold a coherent conversation for a longer time than ChatGPT. However, ChatGPT still holds its own against GPT-4 in certain areas. It's easier to fine-tune ChatGPT for specific tasks, which means it's more flexible than GPT-4. Additionally, ChatGPT is easier to use, which means it can be applied in more areas. Now let's move on to 7 AI businesses that you can potentially start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be used to build a virtual assistant that can help people with tasks such as scheduling appointments, sending emails, and managing their schedule. Customer service chatbots. Use ChatGPT to create a chatbot that can handle customer inquiries, complaints, and other interactions for businesses. Language translation chatbot. ChatGPT can be used as a language translator, right? So you can use ChatGPT to create a language translation chatbot, right, that translates languages in real time between conversations of two people. So if you look at the world today, you notice that 17% of the world, only 17% of the world speaks English, right? And there are so many YouTubers out there that create videos in English. Just like me too, I create my videos in English. So if you want to create an opportunity for yourself using ChatGPT, you can work with English YouTubers, right, to dub their channels to other languages. So you can translate English to other languages. So if, for example, you have the full script of a YouTube video, so you can take that script and input them in ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is going to do or translate that English language to other languages for you, right? So after translating the language to other languages, then you can now submit the script to the YouTuber and get someone that is going to actually speak the language in other languages. After submitting the script to the YouTuber, you can actually get paid for translating languages to other languages. So you can get paid for translating English to Spanish, you can get paid for translating English to Japanese, you can get paid for translating Japanese to Spanish. So this is one way you can use ChatGPT, right? So you submit the script to the YouTuber and you get paid. So the YouTuber is going to get a dub actor, right? So this dub actor is going to translate the English channel, is going to translate the English video to give, for example, to Spanish, to Japanese, or to other languages. This video that was originally spoken in English can now be spoken in other languages so that other people from other countries can also understand this YouTube video. So this is one way you can use ChatGPT. So give, for example, Mr. Beast is a very popular YouTuber on YouTube that does this. So he knew that 17 or less than 20% of the world speaks English.
Now, just I won't pull them all up, but now
in
just
the other countries?
Yeah, search Mr. Beast Brazil. We do a bunch
of them. So you got a Portuguese translator as well.
Yeah, and so because if you Google it, it's like only less than 10% of the world speaks English, so 90% of the world can't even enjoy your content. And when I realized that, I was like, wait a minute, 90% of the world can't even watch this stuff. And so go back to the Spanish one real quick because that's our biggest one. And sorry for anyone watching who doesn't have the visuals. So set it to most popular. We just started doing this like 6 months ago, and it's crazy like how viral some of these videos are going.
51 million.
Yeah. And
the problem with me is like, I don't know if someone's going to translate if they're going to say exactly what I said.
Well, you have quality control. So we have before a video gets uploaded, we have 3 different people who basically write the transcript, and then if the words don't line up on all 3, then let me think about the process. We have something like that because I was worried about that as well. I think we take the original transcript and then we have it dubbed.
There are so many other languages that people speak. So what Mr. Beast did was he hired dub actors, right? He hired dub actors and got them to translate English to other languages. Got them to translate English, his YouTube videos, to Spanish. So if you look at Mr. Beast, he has a Spanish channel, he has other channels in other languages. So this is an effective way to use ChatGPT in writing. So as a writer, ChatGPT can provide for you inspiration, can also help you with introductions and other key elements of the content that you are writing. So as a writer, you want to use ChatGPT to be able to aid your productivity, right? So give, for example, you write emails, you write copies, you write content, right? You put out written content on social media platforms, right? So ChatGPT can actually aid your productivity. So you get to put out content easier and faster with the help of ChatGPT. So don't snooze, because if you snooze, you are going to lose. So you want to use ChatGPT productively. You want to get things done faster and easier using ChatGPT. To give, for example, you write in ChatGPT, you ask ChatGPT to write for you an email, right? A cold email to be able to pitch your product or service to a customer. So ChatGPT can get this done for you in just a few minutes or a few seconds. So ChatGPT is going to write this out, as you can see. So it's going to type it out, and you can actually pick out this content from ChatGPT and edit it to your taste, right? So you're writing emails, you're writing copies for clients, you're putting out content on social media. So ChatGPT can help you with all of this as a writer. So don't hesitate to use ChatGPT to aid your writing as a copywriter, as a writer generally. ChatGPT in video production. ChatGPT can help in writing video scripts. It can also help in writing compelling and engaging video dialogues. So give, for example, you are a video creator and you want to write a script for your video. You can always go to ChatGPT to get written scripts for your videos. So this is an easy way for you to get your script. Rather than cracking your brain or spending hours to write a script for your video, you can go to ChatGPT, type in what you need, and ChatGPT is going to get it right for you. ChatGPT in video content research. ChatGPT can assist in video content research by suggesting different topics, trends, and statistics that could be relevant or used in the video. So if you are a video creator or a video editor, you can use ChatGPT to research for video content. So give an example, you want to create a video on how to study abroad, specifically how to travel to Canada, how to study in Canada. So you want to create a video on that topic. So you can always go to ChatGPT. The ChatGPT is going to give you some relevant suggestions and relevant write-ups for the video. So this is one way you can do research using ChatGPT. Video captioning. ChatGPT can be used to generate captions for videos. The model can automatically transcribe the audio and generate captions for videos, saving time for video editors who would otherwise need to manually transcribe and add captions. Video SEO optimization. ChatGPT can help optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags for better SEO ranking. As a video creator, you want to be able to optimize your videos for search engine, right? So when somebody searches, give for example a topic about a particular video, you want your video to come out on top. So one way you can actually do this is by optimizing your videos, by optimizing the description, the title, and the tags of your videos. The ChatGPT can help you to generate good titles, attention-grabbing titles, and also help you generate descriptions for your videos, and also help you generate tags for your videos. So all these description, titles, and tags can be generated with ChatGPT. So if you want to optimize the videos for it to be seen on the internet, for it to be easily seen on the internet, use ChatGPT to be able to generate your text, your titles, your description, and your tags. ChatGPT in learning and education. As an individual, you can leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT to start a training and education business. So you can start a training and education business for students and professionals. You can use ChatGPT to be able to provide materials that these students and professionals are going to use. With the aid of Google and ChatGPT, you can start a training and education business. ChatGPT in content creation. As a creator, be it a YouTuber, a writer, a videographer, a photographer, you can use ChatGPT to aid your content creation, right? So give for example, you're a YouTuber and you want to be able to put out content consistently. You want to be able to develop content, right? You can use ChatGPT to help you develop content. You can use ChatGPT to do quite a whole lot as a content creator. So do not downplay the capabilities of ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT can help you to be much more productive and also get you productive faster and easier. So don't hesitate to use ChatGPT. Don't hesitate to start a business today with ChatGPT. You can do so much with ChatGPT. So if you got value from this video, like this video and hit the notification icon to get notified when a new video drops. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.